DLT token is a platform for the future of funding that is built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. Today I am going to share such a great news regarding Dollar Light platform and also regarding the IEO of DLT token. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update. First of all, basically a Dollar Light is a new platform. It is basically an ERC20 token, so you can easily hold this token in your personal wallet. Here you can find out each and everything on their white paper, and they elaborate all the things regarding the platform and the main missions of this platform DLT token. And basically you can say here, you can see the token sales stages. Basically one Ethereum is up to 10,000 DLT, and at this time you are going to get up to 30% bonus. But in the second phase you will get only and only 20% bonus, and in the last phase you will get only and only 10% bonus. So that is such a great thing. What is DLT? DLT token is a platform for the future of funding that is built on the top of the Ethereum blockchain. It accelerates growth of startup companies by offering tools and services that save both time and resources. Investors can use these services to divide their investments between various services like P2P loans, crowdfunding, etc. The first version of the DLT allows startups to launch and manage crowdfunding and ICO campaigns. The main missions of the DLT token is basically P2P loans, insurance, saving deposits. So that is such a new thing at this time. As I told you in my last video that right now their airdrop is ongoing and you will be able to earn up to $100. So it is entirely easy. You must have to join this airdrop. But right now I have such a great news for all the buyers, all the traders regarding Dollar Light, that right now very soon on 1st of June on Indodex exchange, here you can see it by yourself, that Dollar Light IEO on Indodex. So very soon you can find out the IEO on the Indodex exchange, and you can easily sign up on this exchange on the Indodex, and easily you can buy the Dollar Light DLT token directly from the IEO. Here you can see it by yourself that on 1st of June, after 3 to 4 days, definitely their IEO will start, and you have the chance to basically start the basically you have the chance to buy this token directly from their IEO. So this is such a great thing for all the users and especially for the traders, because at this time you have the chance to buy this token at very low price, and when the trade will basically start, definitely you are not going to get this token in the same price. So it is your time. Here you can find all the details regarding the platform, and also if you have any type of questions, here you can find out the Twitter and Telegram, and you can ask whatever you want to ask from the team, because the team is available for you 24/7. So right now I will share the both of the links, especially the Dollar Light main platform link and secondly the Indodex platform link. So on 1st of June you can easily buy, you can easily purchase DLT token in different pairs. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.